Hello and welcome to Greater Talks. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to my channel. A big congratulations to Itumeleng Khune and his wife Spelele. The couple, who are parents and have been in a relationship for a couple of years now, are officially husband and wife after tying the knots in a beautiful traditional ceremony. Wishing them nothing but peace and prosperity in their union. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.